Are you having a tough time handling your customer due to breakage during the transit? Is your freight cost touching the sky because of heavy packaging? Is your product getting rusted in transit? Are you having difficulty in managing the leakage problem in your product? Is your perishable product shelf life reduced and it's getting rotten? We at EPACK help you to eliminate all the above problems. USP of Thermocol, expanded polystyrene, manufactured by EPACK, has absorbing quality, which reduces shocks and vibrations and holds the product in place. No breakage. EPACK offers customized, lightweight protective packaging solutions for exports. No extra freight. EPACK offers zero damage to the products, eliminates expenses to replace them. No replacement. EPACK's durable to handle well-stacked products, and that reduces the time needed for unloading of containers, saving on man-hours needed. No extra wages. EPACK's Thermocol is colorless and odorless, which helps the product shelf life to increase and save it from fungus. At EPACK Polymers, the largest manufacturer of Thermocol in India, customer satisfaction is top priority, and we never compromise on quality, precision, and timely delivery of your product. Our sales coordinator team is available at your service 24/7. So let's get started. Contact us at dmm@epack.in or call us at 91-844-818-7715.